Oh yeah.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? Today's video is an unboxing of a mod that we've been waiting on. Well, I don't know, we haven't really been waiting on it, but we have been waiting on it. Yes, it's been a couple of weeks since I made my last video, but in this box we're unboxing something for the Ram. Nobody else, I don't think, has these. They are available. I want to thank Griffs Performance Shop for getting me these. Thank you, Stuart Clayton Griffin. I'm going to put a link in the description to his website, guys. He specializes in a lot of Ram stuff, circle deconverters, all types of good stuff. So I'll put a description in the video, a link in the, to his website and everything, so you guys could check him out. He does great. He's helped me out getting these, so I got them from him. Thank you, Stuart. We're going to get these on the unbox these things. We're going to get them on the Ram. Probably, maybe this week, possibly next weekend. I was hoping this weekend, but it's weekend. As you can see, I'm in the garage. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's raining out. It's drizzling out, but it's still raining out. Can't really do much. And my man Steve, that was going to do the coilovers, got called in the work, so we can't do it. So, I mean, yeah. So what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to unbox these things. I'm going to show you what they are, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, these are actually fully adjustable lowering coilovers for the Ram. Now, you guys are probably thinking you didn't know they do make coilovers for the Ram, lowering coilovers. These are actually for a 5th gen Ram. Yes, I have a 4th gen Ram. These are for a 5th gen Ram. Me, Stuart, we did a lot of research, and we found out that the 5th gen, all the 5th gens take struts, like the four-wheel drive Ram, 4th gens. They take struts. 4th gen 2-wheel drive take shocks. So all the 5th gens, all the new 5th gens take all struts, like the 4th gen 4-wheel drives. And someone actually put on some 5th gen parts on their 4-wheel drive Ram, saying, hey, they fit. So we got these. We're going to put them on the Ram. Their only difference is supposedly it's like an inch difference, but we can lower them down. The adjustable is like 2 to 3 inch lowering, and they're fully adjustable, rebound, compression, and that is what we need with this thing to get it to hook and transfer the weight. We already have rear suspension fully ready to go. The only thing we don't have in the rear is double adjustables, but we're going to try these first because we need front suspension more than anything. All they have on front suspension is just lowered. Nothing else. They're just lowered an extra to 2.4 drop 2 inches. So, as you can see, the truck is in street mode. Wheels, tires, they're all ready. We put it in street mode so we can drive it around for now because we're not hitting the track until these are getting on. So let me get unboxing these guys, and I'll show you what they look like. And yeah, I have not opened these yet. It's a big box for just 2 coilovers, in my opinion, but hey, I like it. It's great stuff. And I'll show you who makes them, everything, all the information. Let's get this stuff out of here. I don't need anyone to see any stuff, guys. So what we got here, holy packaging. Whew. Oh, yeah. Beltec coilover kit. I know, like I said, it says non-classic 5th gen, but doing research, they supposedly fit. These are the ones in a 4th gen. So we're going to put them on, and we're going to try them out, guys. So let me open this box up and open them up and show and see what they look like, and we'll take a look at them. Oh, these look good. Really wonder if they're the color. Let's open these guys up. All right. Ooh, fully adjustable coilovers. Hey. Oh, wow. See them. Wow. Woo. Wow, these are nice. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at these things. Oh yeah. Wow, they got some weight to them. Yeah. Everything is fully adjustable on these guys. Yeah, I'm excited to get these on, fellas. Definitely excited to get these things on. Yeah. Plus mine. Wow, yeah. Like I said, they got some weight to them. Oh yeah, I'm definitely excited to get these on. Was that a knob? A rebound, like I said. You see, I changed it, I think, at the top. I don't know. Don't know how to set these or nothing. That's why I'm going to have Steve do it. Gives you instructions, rebounding, compression, fitment, adjustment. Oh, it's just beautiful. Yeah. I am beyond excited to get these things on, man. Beyond excited. Yeah. Beautiful. It's not raining right now, but yeah, we are going. I'm going to also show you guys something else that we're doing for the Ram. But that's the main thing, the coilovers. Show you something. As you can see, we started making a track intake. I already took out the, did that from NA. I have I'll show you guys in a second. More piping, I got more piping. We got enough piping to finish all this. We're gonna redo it. We got plenty of piping now. We got a bell mouth velocity stack. Basically gonna come in through here, through the grill, and cool the IETs. We had to move the coolant reservoir, which I bought this one off eBay. Not eBay, I'm sorry, Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks, but this is nice. Steel, good, bam. So what we're gonna do is we'll make a new track intake. It'll help keep the IETs a lot cooler. I mean, I don't expect a crazy difference, but anything lower is better. So piping's up in my house. I haven't brought that to the garage yet. So track intake, ready to rock. That's ready to go. Coilovers, we're gonna do all that probably in one shot. And get this Ram to hook. The biggest thing with the Ram is the front suspension right now. When the front suspension, when I am going to the track, it's dead hooking, and then the front's coming back down so fast that it's unloading the rear tires and I'm spinning horrendously. So these, as you know, we got rebounding compression. We can transfer all the weight, keep the weight on the rear, doesn't bounce back down, and bam. That should hopefully fix our issues. If not, we'll get some double adjustables in the rear, and we'll have full suspension for this. Very excited for these things, guys. Very excited. I can't wait to try them out. Hopefully we can get them on as soon as possible. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, I am stoked to get these things on. Like I said, hit up Griffs Performance Shop. Thank you, Stuart, for getting these. And he's going to, we're going to talk to Stuart about how we're going to adjust them and everything like that. So I don't know where to start, but like I said, I got instructions. They do sit a little bit different than the 4th gen Rams. Don't know why. Maybe weight. Who knows? I don't know. But like I said, it goes down to, they said it's an inch difference. I think it sits an inch higher on the 4th gens than the 5th gens. So if we put it at 3-inch, it'll bring it down to the 2-inch, which we're at now. Like I said, we have a 2.4 drop on here now. This thing's fully streetable right now. I got seats in and everything. Picked the kids up yesterday. Takes me about 45 minutes to prep it fully for the track with the wheels, tires, and the interior. It's not long. It doesn't take that long to do, so I don't mind driving it. Putting everything back to normal, having a good time driving around the street, having some fun. So yeah, I'm excited to get these coilovers on con, guys. Very excited. Rear suspension's good. The only thing we really would need on that, we have single adjustable QA1s. We'll get some double adjustables in there. Everything is good, ready to rock. So yeah, guys, that's what we got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check it out. We'll have an install video either during this week, whenever Steve's available, or next weekend. And we'll get these things installed, and we'll be hitting the track probably instantly afterwards. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Peace.